What is the significance of TCP acknowledgements? See, the reliability of TCP lies in acknowledgement. The acknowledgement number is 4 byte in the header of TCP. The sequence number is also 4 byte in TCP header. Checksum is 2 byte. So all checksum, the sequence number and acknowledgement number, they are very important. The window size is for flow control, checksum is for error detection, sequence number and acknowledgement number are for the reliability. So TCP acknowledgements are used to acknowledge packets that are successfully received by the host. When you talk to someone, what do you say? Hey, how are you? If the other person doesn't reply, you will be, in dilemma whether he heard or he doesn't want to reply. It's the same thing. You have to reply, oh, I am okay, how are you? So here the receiver has to reply. He has to give some acknowledgement. Then only things are fine in reliability aspect of TCP. So the flag, which is the, you see here in the header, there is a flag called ACK flag. And this flag is set if the acknowledgement number field contains a valid acknowledgement number. So TCP acknowledgement is all about that something has been acknowledged. So when computer communicate via TCP, the transmission control protocol, received packets are acknowledged by sending back a packet with the ACK bit set. The TCP protocols allow these acknowledgements to be included with data that is sent in the opposite direction, and that is called the piggybacking. So this is piggybacking, but we are talking about the acknowledgements. Acknowledgement is the reliability basis. So I'll just tell you about the sequence number and acknowledgement number. See, because it is related. See, sequence number is whatever TCP segment you have sent, the byte, the data, 50 is the first number of the first byte because it is byte stream. First byte, say 100 bytes you are sending. Now the acknowledgement will come what? The sequence number is 50. The acknowledgement from the receiver will come as 51. Okay, I hope you got the idea. 50 is the first number of byte that is being sent. Acknowledgement will be 51. It is saying, the receiver is saying, okay, I got 50, now I am waiting for 51. Same thing, when it gets 51, it will give acknowledgement as 52. I got 51, now please send me 52. So the ACK will always be 1 plus the sequence number.